What if you could build something so compelling, so dominant, that users have no choice but to pay attention? The world is filled with weak, pathetic timers. They beg for attention. They apologize for their existence. But power doesn't ask for attention. It commands it. Today we are not building another timer. We are building a statement. I'm not here to teach you to code. I'm here to teach you to dominate, to create interfaces so powerful. The digital world must adjust to your presence. In the next few minutes, you will weaponize React. You will turn STOPWATCH animations into psychological weapons. You will make time itself bend to your will. You can keep building polite little applications that blend into the background, or you can join me and learn to create digital artifacts that demand respect. The choice is simple. Continue being a developer who asks for attention, or become an engineer who commands it. Your transformation begins now. Let's build.